So we have agents that go to the enemy and start to attack or defense. So let's now tweak the simulation to scale up the agent number, have some proper armies here. First, let's set up the avoidance. So let's create first we need to create metadata, because we need to control the avoidance weight dynamically during simulation. So let's create avoidance metadata called avoidance at weight. It's double 1 0, and this agent creation only, so it's set up only one time. This means basically you can control the module attributes using specific metadata that has basically the agent, this one, agent avoidance, the module name and the weights. So let's now basically add the agent avoidance. So you can see basically this one has the name of the module, that is agent avoidance, and the weight, that is this attribute. So in this way you can control with metadata. Let's start with 1, and then agents created only, because we will change this metadata from the behavior tree. Let's set up the agent avoidance. So let's leave RVO. Let's decrease this to 200. Max neighbor 6 should be fine. And the last thing is to set the agent group. So let's do the same thing. Let's copy this one and let's put the let's create the metadata. Weight double 1 0 and agent creation only. Let's add the avoidance. RVO is fine. Distance neighbor 200, 6 neighbors should be enough. And then set up the agent group. So this way you avoid the other agent group. And last thing, we need to go to the agent type. We need to set up the collision radius here, because now it's 1, should be 30, 40. Let's have a look to the radius. Yeah, something that should be fine. Register the agent type, and then let's do the last tweaks to the behavior tree. So here we need to do a couple of things. One is a set agent metadata. That will be our avoidance weight, because we need to turn off the avoidance if it's in combat, so the avoidance doesn't change the direction or the position of agents. So let's put this one to double and 0, and then let's put another sequence here. We need to set the correct direction when I start to play this stuff. So we need to get the agent metadata to update the target position. So we take the position from the enemy, target ID is the global ID, and then a compute direction. This will change my direction. The start position is the agent current position, the end position is the enemy position. So let's register. Let's create some more agent here. Oops. Rewind. And go to the grid layout. Let's increase to 50. To 50. Random space 50. Sides on the X 5. 20. Something like that. Let's do the same thing here. Okay, so size is 520. Increase this one to 50, to 50, no space, 50. And should be that. Split play. See you next video.